Hello and welcome to another pipe presentation video. Let's have a closer look at a French estate Chacom Commodore. Smooth red finish, half pen shape, 115 with oval shank and settled stem, unfiltered with metal tenon, comes with Chacom sleeve. Mint condition with only a couple of small signs of wear or use. Now, it is quite elegant. It's got that oval look and design. Lovely looking pipe, I have to say. We have the metal tenon. There's the brass plate logo. No bite marks. Really nice condition of the vulcanite stem. Medium chamber capacity. Nice and clean rim without burns or darkening. Shine is not too strong, so it's got that sort of a gentle stain finish, minor scuffing there. Nice and tight fit. There's a weird squeaking sound behind me coming from outside. I have no idea what it is or if you can hear it, but it's really annoying. We have the sleeve. Let's place the pipe inside, tighten it up, and there you go. That would be all for this short presentation. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.